Hey everybody, ich bin der Norman, Steven, and well, I'm supposed to have practice as you can see. Got the cleats on, everything, and it's raining outside in Montana. What? That's crazy! There's an ice cream truck. Oh my God, it's coming this way. I don't know if you guys can see that ice cream truck. I doubt you can. Pretty far away. But anyways, so yeah, this is my second video. And just want all my friends to watch this one. So I'm gonna wait for my dad to come here. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining in Montana. That is, whatever. I think here he comes. Is that him? Goodbye, don't look at the cops.